name's Nick Catt, and my job role is Managing Director, and it's Waitron Bilanchai Limited. We design, manufacture and supply industrial weighing solutions and software and automation, providing support after sales service nationwide. And we measure and we trace waste in buildings such as the Shard in London and Wembley Stadium. So we know and itemise all the waste streams, and we also stream live data up to the client's ERP. So our IT infrastructure is critical to us as we provide 24/7 support to our clients, mainly remotely software support. Our phone network is hanging off the back of our IT infrastructure, so if our IT is down, we're not able to support our own client base. So previously we were struggling with our IT provider. It is a daunting task to actually look around and move to a new provider, but moving to AAG has been great and we've never looked back. Initially we asked some of our customers if they had got good experiences with other suppliers. We wanted a local IT provider that then could be more personable with us and give us a personal touch. We asked around and then started to search around, and we came across AAG that are relatively local to us. The initial meetings with AAG was then a discovery session for both of us to understand what we got on site, what was supportable, what needed to be upgraded or migrated from being on premise to the cloud, what those costs would be in year 1, year 2, year 3, and we needed to have that IT plan as a business in place and working with AAG to look at also IT security, internet security, cyber security, and making sure that we were fit for business. Yeah, so we've got an ERP package which was custom made for our business. That was on-premise software. It wasn't designed to be actually hosted in the cloud, but as we've migrated all of our infrastructure to the cloud, we needed to know how we could work with the supplier on migrating the project and the software into the cloud. That was done between AAG and our supplier. We hosted it in a test environment, and we ran a test environment for a couple of months alongside our on-premise software to check that it worked correctly, it was hosted, we didn't have any update problems, and that went fine. We had a meeting with AAG, and we have regular meetings to understand what new IT equipment out there that could improve our business. We were hosting different versions of Microsoft products, and we needed to then bring that under control, so we moved everybody, we're talking 70 employees, all under then Office 365, and then we had to understand what was in Office 365 and what benefits we could get from that, and that led us down the path of utilising SharePoint for a lot of shared documents and creating secure folders, creating permissions and access for various people that needed to see certain documents and not others, and then looking at other features within 365 that we can also utilise, and that gives workers the ability to log in from anywhere, from the mobile phone, from a tablet or from the desktop or the laptop.